Now let's talk about something that we all know about. I'm talking about Fuliza. Get this. Safaricom disbursed 351.2 billion shillings through its Fuliza overdraft service in 2021. This compared to 245 billion shillings in 2020 and 29 billion in 2019 when it was launched. Brenda Kerubo explains to us how the low interest of the service is a relief for borrowers in an economy reeling from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Fuliza, an instant financial borrowing service that is a leader in its own right, and the milestones are unbeatable. In the previous financial period, Kenyans borrowed 351.2 billion shillings. That's close to 1 billion shillings every day. 1 billion shillings borrowed to meet personal financial emergencies and to shore up capital for macro and micro businesses.
Fuliza inasaidia sana. Mimi huitumia mara mingi. Hata ninaweza kukopa kama leo na nilipe na tena kesho nikope tena kulingana na vile niko na shida, na inasaidiaga sana. Maana unaweza kuwa una hata chakula lakini ukifuliza unapata chakula. Zingine mimi wasina hata bus fare ya kuja job asubuhi. Jioni naona wacha nifulize ndio nipate bus fare.
Nenda super nikanunua vitu, but nimechukua vitu ikakuwa pesa yenye niko nayo kwa simu ni kidogo kuliko yodo. Sasa nikilipa nikapata amenipa option ya kufuliza, nikafuliza tu 200 nikalipa.
I have used it severally. It's a good thing when you do not have money, and when you have no money in your mobile, you can be able to use it for maybe when you have an emergency and there's something that you need to purchase.
A friend of mine who called me and she told me that she needed urgent money to take her brother to the hospital. Yeah, and so in my according to my limits, I think I'd Fuliza like 200 bob. Yeah, so she needed around 3,500. You see, now at least I was able to sort her immediately. Yeah, for me it's very effective.
Fuliza is Safaricom's most popular loan product this year, with daily active customers now standing at 1.4 million. In the period under review, 787 million transactions were processed, up from 392.8 million in 2020.
Siwezi furisha. Afadhali ingine lakini si furisha. Furisha hata ukibai ka credit ndio hiyo kamemezwa. Utumiwe na mtu kamia ndio hiyo kamemezwa. Hawananga utaratibu hiyo nini kama yao hizi zingine. Unaona hizi zingine kama hata kama ni mswari ama nini, hawezi chukua pesa kama hujawapea. Si unaona? Lakini furisha hawagojei.
You can get Fuliza today, then someone sends you the money. They did it, then the money still goes away. But from day-to-day basis normally helps. Yeah, for paying an expense and such and such.
Safaricom charges Fuliza customers a one-off 1.083% interest and a daily administrative fee that depends on their outstanding balance. Brenda Kerubo, KTN News.
To politics.